What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Jaylee back with another video for y'all. So this video, I know I look bad, it's okay, y'all gonna see why. This video has been highly requested on my Snap, and yeah, what's the point of me having a channel if I'm not gonna give y'all what y'all want, period. And I forgot to do it in the last video, so I'm going to do it now. Thank you for the 1,000 subscribers, period, and there's more to go. We're gonna just keep going up from now. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial. Mind you, this is my first time doing a full face by myself, and yeah, we're gonna see how it comes out. If it looks bad, I'll think about posting it, maybe not. But yeah, before we get into this video, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell next to it so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Bad gal edition. See them gal that contradiction. Them say them sitting tight, I bear fiction. The wall of them a beat, body smoking, cigarette, shit nice, figure it. Get them the rollerblades, tell them to ski.
I got this bonnet on because my hair looks bad under here, and I'm gonna do my hair after. So yeah, first we're gonna prime the face with this Wet n Wild primer. Ooh, this junk stink. Okay, so we prime the face. I'm gonna start with my eyebrows because, period, I do my eyebrows. I think I might do my eyebrows off camera because I need to focus when I do my eyebrows, and I'm not able to focus with y'all looking at me, sorry. But yeah, the concealer I use is from Maybelline, and I use this L'Oreal Paris deep brunette color. So we're back, and I'm not really good with my eyebrows, but period, I kind of finesse them a little bit, you know what I'm saying. Okay, so yeah, next is foundation. I'm using L'Oreal. It's a new shade, SPF 17, in the color Neutral Perfect Beige. So yeah, get into it. I'm gonna be looking over here because I'm a mirror over here. Take this haircut out because my baby hair is getting in the way, like, girl. You looking good so far? Cute. If my aunt's watching this, I thank you for the makeup, period. She just got me this foundation, and I didn't think it was gonna look right with my skin or whatever, but it do. It look good. Cover his pimples or whatever. Okay. After I do this, okay. Oh, my eyes look nice small. I have big eyes. Alright, so we're done with the foundation. Next is the eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using my e.l.f. palette. I'm gonna be using this color and this one, I think. Look at what happened to my sweater, and y'all wasn't even gonna tell me that. Nah, y'all not ready for that. Anyways, I'm mad at y'all right now, but I'm gonna keep going. Period. So I like to do this certain eye look. It just looks good and natural. I'm gonna go with this color, cause period. Oop. Because this is why I don't be recording online. I don't know how y'all be doing this. Y'all girls be doing this. You gotta do your makeup and keep your eyes closed. But sorry, my eye don't stay closed.
She's difficult to work with. All the things I do. Wish she was here right now. The cat is canceled, but that's on bump. Period. I was gonna do lashes, but I don't know. I might do lashes. But this is supposed to be a natural beat or whatever. So I'm not really into the whole eyeliner thing, only because I don't know how to do the eyeliner. So yeah, I think that's enough. Yeah, that's enough. I still need to learn more about how to do eyeshadow or whatever, but a girl never know. I never know. Alright, period. But we're not done with the eyes.
So we got this KKW Beauty. I'm gonna use it for the inner corner of my eye. I don't care if people don't do that. Bro, look at this. This is really getting me mad. Anyways, I don't care. But don't do that anymore. I like how it looks, so I'm gonna keep doing it.
Period. Period. I hope when we can't be on camera. I was just taking very nonsense. Is she right here right now? Oh, and I'm gonna do my hair for y'all. You know, it's not a little good, but even whatever. Period. That's it.
So now it's time for the concealer. Now this looks kind of cute. I ain't gonna cap.
If it's not doing that one, listen, I don't even care.
Okay, we're gonna contour now.
I can't function because my baby hairs, like my baby hairs are not letting me function. Like, this is what my mother's gonna do, first of all, because she knows what she's doing. So, if it goes over my hair, it's okay. I'm not here on these.
Blend. Oh, hold up, girl. Thumbnail.
Okay, and I'm ready first. Yeah, I recommend that with this spray bottle because it sprays even after. But yeah, you gotta make sure this is wet when you want to blend the concealer. Alright, now we blend this. Blend that. I'm gonna take this other air bottle. But yeah. I'm the entire mask, but like I definitely had concealer up here too. my nose. Hold on. Let me calm down.
The things that you do. I'm gonna get this, and I'm gonna bake.
This smells mad good. So you bake for 10 to 15 minutes or so. And then
after that, we're gonna do blush and highlight. So I'm gonna get to y'all when I'm done baking.
okay, y'all. Now, we're almost done with our dusted old. Oh, this is an elf brush. Listen. I ain't no makeup expert, but I think that did a pretty good job. Besides the shirt, I'm gonna have to put that back and see what happened. I did not beat. I don't care. Okay. Okay.
So now it's time for blush.
Like, I'm not in the mood I can get pink because I can get pink. See, this is why I'm going to make a process. It makes my lips ashy. Okay. I just think. It's pink enough. Ooh, period. Okay.
Last but not least is the highlight. This is by Benefit Hygiene, whatever.
See, I don't want to mess it up, but I think I did. This one is okay. And we want to put some right here. Because, duh. Okay, last but not least is mascara. And then of course, can I get it? Like, it's done. Girl. I don't like how my eyelashes look. Like, my eyelashes been getting pulled off when I do the big lashes. But
Okay, so I forgot to put setting spray on after finishing, but that's what you're supposed to do or whatever. But I did put it on after I finished the video. That's the finished look. Period. Yo, this was good for my first time. If y'all like the little face beat or whatever, put a purple heart in the comments. And yeah, So I'm actually not gonna do my hair because I might do my hair just for thumbnail, but I'm not gonna do it here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and just keep putting down in the comments what videos y'all want to see, or hit me up and let me know. I'll see y'all when I post another video.
Hey, so you bagged him. I'm a savage. Yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Yeah. Sassy, moody.